Hello guys, welcome to my channel T something, and in this video tutorial I will gonna show you how to fix a Windows script host and a startup check VBS error, and also cannot find a script file. So how can fix this type of error? Let's get started. Before starting off the video, I humbly request you please subscribe my YouTube channel. So let's get started. Okay guys, first of all in the search box type a notepad and open our notepad. And after doing this, type a wscript.quit. After that, click on a file, click on save as on desktop. Select a name is StartupCheck.vbs. Now you can see that StartupCheck.vbs. Click on save button. Go to your desktop and copy it. Go to your file open, go to your C drive, and after that go to your Windows. Go to your system 32. Right click and paste it. Close it, and after doing this step, restart your computer, and I am sure that after restarting your computer your problem is fixed. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe my YouTube channel.